Oh, Shadrach Sibia, 20th February 2026. Umbuzo usamile. Where is the difference between inspecting a docket and auditing a docket? And then let's look at the answer. This is the answer coming from somebody with 18-page CV, criminal vitae. Let's look at the answer.
We've already gone.
Sorry, Ms. Hasim. I just need clarity on one thing, just to make sure that you are not talking past each other. General, is there a difference between auditing dockets and inspecting dockets? Do you know?
Yes, there is a vast difference. There is a difference between auditing and inspecting.
What's the difference?
The difference when you inspect a docket is when you inspect a docket, but when you audit.
No, you can't define a term by using the same term, General. You can't say when you inspect a docket, you inspect a docket.
When you inspect the docket, the chair is when you take a docket and then you.
Lochan, Gubafana Msizalo. 20th February, the question was still remaining. The disbandment of the PKTT and the 121 dockets. Shadrach Sibia, testimony at Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. So guys, today, like testimony Sibia or cross-examination, it was much sort of like this guy, bekafisa ukuthi ngathana umhlaba ungavuleka angene phakathi, because summary today is very short, guys, because bebambuza about the disbandment of the PKTT and 121 docket ukuthi kuzeke kanjani ubeke uGeneral Sinthumule ukuthi abe in charge of those dockets or signature of handing over of ama dockets. And uthi manje yena he feels ukuthi like uya crucifyiwa for something that was not his responsibility. Umuntu ngabe uya crucifyiwa General Sinthumule, the one that got BPL. And guys, uGeneral Sinthumule, let me digress a little bit. General Sinthumule banabofani Masemola and Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, they were doing a badge parade whereby they were giving AMA STF Special Task Force badges, those that are graduating in Pretoria, the newly Special Task Force in SAPS. So I do not understand why Ufani Masemola, this Sinthumule as acting commissioner yake, because she was also asked ukuthi what does she have to say about allegations alethwe General Shadrach Sibia about her ku Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, and did not want to answer about those allegations. I will play you a video now shortly.
She's sitting on this panel, and South Africans are supposed to trust that her credibility is not in question. Can she respond to these allegations that have been made against her? And also, I'm not quite sure if I did get clarity on the SAJ proposal. Are we just saying that it's going to happen in 10 days and that's it? Thanks. Questions?
So guys, mina I understand why uSinthumule seselapha as poison. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. And then futhi uShadrach Sibia uthi yena ngokuya ngaye, like advocate baloyi uyampresela ekhoneni ukuthi admit ukuthi he was wrong about the disbandment of the PKTT, and futhi ukuthi ama 121 dockets, they were not investigated.
You do your own thing. And what you do is not based on anything that the National Commissioner asked you to do. He asked you to communicate, which you do. You communicate. 2, he says, prepare an activation plan, which you do. You present it to him on the 14th, but you do a 3rd thing. You implement immediately. You give instructions to implement and deactivate. That is not contained anywhere in writing that we have seen. It's not in SS9, and if you're and so far you've relied only on SS9. So, and if that's the only thing you're relying on, what I'm putting to you is SS9 doesn't give you that instruction, so you acted without instruction because that's what you're relying on. It follows. You acted without instruction, and that's what it is, General. You can comment lastly if whatever the chair allows you to do, but I don't think there's any point in doing this because we are going around cycle. You insist that you acted on the basis of SS9, and I guess we'll evaluate it for what it is. But that is your evidence. I guess we have to accept your evidence is you acted on SS9.
Feel free to comment, General.
I feel oppressed, Chair.
No, feel free to comment.
I feel oppressed in a sense that this is an official process. It's not a private process, it's an official process coming from the minister to the national commissioner to me. We are all in it. Now, when the national commissioner chose to do something with General Khumalo, which he never alerted me to, he never said to me, leave it, I will do it, and then went and did it somewhere with General Khumalo when I don't know. And I kept on communicating and doing things, hoping that I'm doing that what the national commissioner also expected me to do. And then in the meantime, later, it transpired that he was doing his own thing. But what pains me the most is the fact that even the same letter that I know is going around in circle, but even the same letter, this letter, comes from the National Commissioner's office. Now, although I own it because I had to sign it, it just kills me to see how the commissioners are rejecting it, that it comes from the National Commissioner's office. It was prepared from the National Commissioner's office, even though I signed it, I accept that. But be that as it may, Chair, I accept, and I don't want to really make the commissioners angry. I accept this point, and whatever direction it takes, I'll accept it, Chair.
Thank you, General.
From my side, knowing that I have an email that directed me, that is how I approach it to say, but the National Commission is not being honest here because
the email, if you have another email, point us to it. Let's stop doing this, this secular discussion. If you have another email, by all means, introduce it. SS9, and now I'm putting it to you. SS9 does not instruct you to implement the deactivation. It doesn't. If that instruction was ever given by the National Commissioner, it's contained somewhere else. And you are free to refer us to that. But we can't keep doing this where you're insisting that the National Commissioner told me to implement the deactivation and he did that in SS9. It doesn't. And it's problematic that you insist that SS9 contains such an instruction. It doesn't. On any construction, it doesn't.
So, in short, he was in a price stand. Bamfraya nicely. Judge Madlanga, Advocate Khumalo, Advocate Baloyi, and as well as Advocate Hasim. Guys, Begago price stand today. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about the testimony of Shadrack Sibia in the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry today. And then make sure you follow for more. Like, comment, and repost. Let me play you the video first whereby Sintimule was questioned what does she have to say about that. And also, guys, let's congratulate those police officers lawa abathole ama appointment as the special task force. It shows ukuthi isiphoyisa sethu siyakhula. So let's meet in the comment section. Cheers.